Welcome back to Sam Official Tech, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and innovation. In today's video, we are diving deep into the incredible ways machines are transforming industries and helping us grow our work. From agriculture to healthcare, construction to entertainment, machines are revolutionizing how we operate and expanding our potential in ways we never imagined before. If you're ready to explore the future of work powered by machines, stay tuned as we take you through 17 amazing ways machines help us achieve more every day. Agriculture has experienced a technological revolution thanks to autonomous machines. GPS-enabled tractors, automated harvesting equipment, and drone technology have drastically increased the efficiency of farming. These machines allow farmers to manage larger areas of land, monitor crop health in real time, and optimize the use of resources such as water and fertilizers. The result: higher yields, reduced labor, and a sustainable farming approach that feeds a growing global population. In healthcare, machines are not only saving lives but transforming how we care for patients. AI-powered diagnostic machines help doctors detect diseases earlier, while robotic-assisted surgery ensures precision that is unmatched by human hands. These advancements in medical technology are allowing healthcare professionals to handle more patients with improved outcomes, making the healthcare industry more efficient and effective. The construction industry relies heavily on machines to complete projects faster, safer, and with greater accuracy. Bulldozers, excavators, and cranes are now equipped with smart technology that enhances precision and reduces human error. This means that large-scale projects, such as skyscrapers and infrastructure developments, can be completed in record time without compromising on quality or safety. By adopting these machines, the construction industry has seen a massive reduction in manual labor while increasing overall productivity. Retail and e-commerce have undergone a massive transformation thanks to automation. From smart shelving systems that track inventory in real time to AI-powered customer service machines that handle queries 24/7, these machines have streamlined operations in the retail sector. Automated warehouses powered by robotic arms and conveyor systems also ensure that online orders are processed and shipped with incredible speed, allowing businesses to meet consumer demand more efficiently. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, machines play a critical role in harnessing power from natural sources. Wind turbines, solar panels, and hydroelectric generators are examples of machines designed to capture and convert renewable energy into electricity. These machines not only help companies reduce their carbon footprint but also offer long-term savings by providing a consistent and reliable source of energy. By investing in renewable energy machines, businesses are ensuring sustainable growth for the future. In smart manufacturing, machines equipped with sensors and AI technology are reducing waste and ensuring higher quality products. These systems can identify defects in real time, adjusting processes on the go to minimize errors. Smart manufacturing machines also optimize resource use, ensuring that materials like metals, plastics, and chemicals are used efficiently, which reduces costs and environmental impact. This blend of technology and sustainability makes manufacturing more profitable and eco-friendly. Robotic process automation (RPA) is revolutionizing office work by automating repetitive tasks such as data entry, payroll, and customer service interactions. These virtual robots handle high-volume processes with incredible accuracy, allowing employees to focus on more strategic, value-driven work. Businesses are benefiting from increased productivity, lower error rates, and enhanced employee satisfaction due to the reduced burden of mundane tasks. Autonomous vehicles are reshaping the transportation and logistics industries. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones are beginning to transport goods without the need for human drivers, reducing labor costs and increasing delivery speeds. These machines are especially beneficial in last-mile deliveries, where they can navigate complex urban environments to bring products directly to consumers' doorsteps. The transportation industry is on the cusp of a major transformation driven by these intelligent machines. In the mining industry, machines have improved both the safety and efficiency of resource extraction. Autonomous drilling rigs, automated trucks, and smart monitoring systems help companies extract minerals, metals, and fossil fuels faster and more safely than ever before. These machines are capable of operating in hazardous environments, reducing the risk to human workers while maximizing output. In the world of entertainment, machines play a crucial role in creating breathtaking visuals and immersive experiences. From CGI technology in movies to the latest in virtual reality gaming, machines are helping artists and creators push the boundaries of storytelling. These advancements allow the industry to produce higher quality content at a faster rate, catering to an ever-growing demand for new and engaging experiences. 3D printing technology is revolutionizing manufacturing by enabling companies to create complex parts and products on demand. Whether it's producing medical devices, automotive parts, or consumer goods, 3D printers are reducing lead times and eliminating the need for large-scale inventories. Businesses can now customize products with ease, offering tailored solutions to customers while reducing production costs. Machines in the financial sector are streamlining processes such as fraud detection, credit scoring, and risk management. AI-powered algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify potential threats or opportunities, helping financial institutions make informed decisions. Automated trading systems also execute transactions in real time, ensuring businesses can take advantage of market fluctuations faster than ever before. In the education sector, smart machines such as AI-powered tutoring systems and interactive learning platforms are personalizing the way students learn. These machines analyze each student's progress and adapt lessons to suit their needs, ensuring a more effective learning experience. As technology becomes more integrated into classrooms, teachers are able to focus on providing personalized attention, helping students achieve their full potential. The textile industry is adopting smart machines to enhance sustainability and efficiency. Automated dyeing machines reduce water consumption, while robotic cutting machines ensure minimal fabric waste. These advancements allow textile manufacturers to produce high-quality clothing with less environmental impact. As sustainability becomes a top priority, these machines are essential for meeting consumer demand for eco-friendly products. Robots in warehouses are transforming how inventory is managed. With AI-driven robots that can pick, sort, and pack items, companies can reduce manual labor costs and increase efficiency. These machines work 24/7, ensuring faster order fulfillment and reducing the chances of human error. The increased speed and accuracy allow businesses to scale their operations and meet growing customer expectations. As urban populations grow, smart machines are powering the development of smart cities. From automated traffic management systems to intelligent public transportation, these machines help cities operate more efficiently. They reduce congestion, lower pollution, and improve the quality of life for residents. Smart cities are the future of urban development, creating environments that support sustainable growth and innovation. Precision agriculture combines data-driven insights with automated machinery to maximize crop yields. Sensors in the soil and on drones collect real-time data on weather conditions, soil health, and crop growth. This information is used to guide automated machinery in planting, watering, and harvesting crops with unparalleled accuracy. These machines ensure that every acre of farmland is used to its full potential, helping farmers feed the growing global population. Thank you for watching Sam Official Tech. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into how machines are transforming industries and helping us grow our work. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and innovation. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore even more ways technology is shaping the future. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible potential of machines.